This is the most American darn thing you've seen in your life. American semi-truck racing. Have a Euro truck up in here from those Europeans. They're weird. Wait, we got some trucking to do. America! Alright, we're on. Turn out. You're a wheel spin here. Got some actors. We're real flying down this speedway. Do you like my country? Dude, person or something. 85 mile an hour. Okay, no. I didn't really get this idea from anywhere. I just was like, yes, semi-truck racing time, yes. It is definitely the most American darn thing you've seen in your life. Lifetime, shall I This has a V12 in it. Semi-truck V12. The mod has got nitrous. It's got 5-speed all-wheel drive transmission. Pretty much all of this is a mod. I made a not modded, no, it has one mod version, but it's not as fast as this one. It's got the stock engine. Those shoes hurt. I did make an even more American truck that has a V8. That was my controller. Made a more American truck that has a V8 in it. I'm gonna show you it. Scroll down. Where is it? Oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing some mod reviews soon. So yeah, this thing. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Anyways, back to racing. The top speed is 87, which is kind of slow, but like it's a semi-truck. That acceleration is good. Let's turn on the other dude's nitrous because they're kind of stuck. Let's do that. See if he's gonna do her. Correlation. Nitrous ain't doing nothing for me. Test runs. See how well this truck all three trucks crashed because the truck right behind me. That one. Yourself, you need to get